Good morning, YouTube. Today we have a billet technology catch can. According to the note, it's designed to work on 2011 to 2017 3.6 liter V6 engines on Jeep Grand Cherokees and Durangos, but it's actually working all the way up to 2020 engines. So the kit comes as a long and a short hoses, two fittings, mounting hardware. This little piece goes against the body of the car, goes just like that to hold the catch can, and the catch can itself comes pre-mounted out of the box like this. So there's the screen up here, and inside there's a metal mesh. I don't know if you can see it, and the little container itself. I decided not to use these fittings, and I will be explaining why during installation. Enough talking, let's get down to installing. Basically, this is a very straightforward, easy application. So just open the little cover right here and screw the 10 millimeter bolt to pull the big cover. Then we will disconnect the PCV valve hose by pressing this little white tab. Press and pull. Nice and easy. There's another one right back here. Also press and pull. So I'm gonna use two hands to manipulate. Oh, actually, yeah, I gotta use two hands to do that. I'll get back to you later. Once you get that and disconnected, try to work the hose nice and easy. Work it out. Just like that. So the reason why I decided not to use these fittings, show you right now. So it goes in like that. They snug in real nice, but if you pull it, it'll pull it nice and easy. So unlike the stock tab thing, so it's very secure. So if you don't press it, it'll never come out. If you don't press it down like this, it'll never come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this little tube right here and reuse the stock fitting back onto the hoses provided by Billet Technology. So we did manage to break it out nice and easy. This is the other end, and this is the part number, just in case somebody needs it. 68210346AD-A. It's a Mopar part number. So one of these fittings will go on one end of the long one, long hose. It's nice and tight. So I gotta work it out. So this one of these will go on the end of the long hose. The straight one goes on one end of the short hose. So for the mounting bracket, the little nut, take that one out. Then we gotta place it right in the back of this second hole. So there's one hole right underneath the AC line holder. There's one right here. So we gotta use this one right down here. Just hold it until it starts grabbing. We'll grab a 5mm Allen tighten it up a little bit. Nothing crazy, as I said. Once you secure the bracket to the chassis, you tighten the nut all the way in, 17mm nut all the way in, not too tight, just like when it stops, just stop. And you grab the top of the catch can, just the top piece. Screw it in till it stops. It'll stop like this. Back it out. You level it just like that, and you grab the 17mm wrench. You tighten it against this piece, meaning tighty, which is towards the right. Once it's tight, screw the little container in, all the way in. And voila, once you have everything secured, all you gotta do is just reinstall everything the back way, the same way we took it out. The short hose goes right in there. The long hose goes all the way around the engine. You work it in. Nice and snugged. Just gonna reroute everything underneath the air intake, as so. Reroute everything underneath the air intake. At this point, it doesn't really matter where's the in or out, because basically they both pour everything to the metal and it gets filtered, and the other end will just like suck the clean air back to the manifold. So this is the short hose. So I'm just gonna hook it right in here since it's closer. What I did is I did spray a little bit of WD-40 right inside the hoses, so it can slide into the fittings nice and easy. voila, we have our catch can installed. I'm just gonna recheck everything, see if everything is in place, and call it a day. So this is nice and secured with the factory fit-in. So it won't even come out without the permission of the tab right here. So if you don't push it down, actually, the green is supposed to be on the top. This is where you push it down. And this side also. Nice and secured right here. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.